How to download and use the Photoshop on your PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to download the Adobe Photoshop but do not know how to do it for free, here is the trick. So for this, first of all, open any of your browser. Next up, you have to search download Creative Cloud and then hit the enter button. This will open the link from the Adobe and then you have to click on download. Once you have downloaded the Creative Cloud, you need to install it. Installation might take few minutes, so you have to wait until the installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, you will see interface which is similar to this one. Next up, what you can do is click on Done and then go to Applications or Apps. It is on the left side of your screen. Once you go to Apps, you will see different options. From here, you have to search for beta apps. Once you click on beta apps, you will see different Adobe applications. Now you have to click on try and then download the trial version. And this way, you can get the Adobe Photoshop on your laptop for free. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.